Welcome, Scorpio. It's transformation time. You know all about that. I'm going to link the readings and some ancient moon wisdom about how we can use these energies to transform with this total solar eclipse here on the 2nd. And we will be having a reading. But let's see what's happening. We know it's about the dragon energy right now, the serpent, and letting go of what's lower vibrational to really have our best lives now. Positive charges. And the water energies, which is something you also know a lot about. All right. Six of Discs, you're restoring balance through grounding your emotions and fighting through grounding your emotions. And I really feel like you're doing that and you're connecting to your astrology, you're connecting to your intuitions. And then we have the Prince of Wands. And this is facing your darkness here to create with that life force energy. And it's of your visions. It's being a visionary. It's creating a better tomorrow. And it's creating with the light. And like there's the Chariot energies too here. The creation of a path that wasn't there before because you're creating with your visions. And it's all about your 3 of Cups and your 8 of Discs. Your abundance and continuing to be diligent with your work here, with what you're growing. And this is about integration of the sun, applying wisdom, inner child healing inner child wounds, which this allows us to blossom. But this is also the free flowing of emotion. And I feel like it's not even in for you a masculine or a feminine way at all. It's just in such a harmonious way that it's just energy. It's just even like flow between your chakras, which is allowing you to really have growth and create with life force energies. And there's the moon, and we know we're all connected to the moon right now. We're extra connected through this process. And that's to really get us on our best paths, leading us to our purposes, so we can have that bird's eye vision to create for the greater good here, what we came here to do. And this is finding the wisdom to heal and allow that that beautiful rainbow light activation to happen within, to get our chakras in flow. This is about finding the strength to integrate. I feel like the light so deep within that it becomes part of your heart. I don't know how else to say that. And it restores balance between the dark and the light for you. And it's through letting go of something. It's through letting go of something. I believe it has to do with inner child healing. Ace of Crystals and the 2 of Crystals. We'll check that out. Now, the Ace of Crystals is all about like really grounding what's new that's on the horizon, new opportunities of self-discovery. But I also see like new opportunities to really become more crystalline, to have more of a purification and really connect to the light. But through this, with this 2 of Crystals, this is actually finding balance of the yin and the yang and being in flow and talking about the water energies. They're present right here. And this is taking our emotions into account. We have our emotions in account, but then we also have our yin and yang. And we're keeping them in flow, and we're using both energies, right brain and left brain, to make our choices. And it's about our choices of self-discovery as our ships come in. Now let's just get a chakra message. Oh. 2. I am present. I am presence. I am present. I am presence. And self-mastery. And that's what's happening here. So this is your crown chakra and your solar plexus chakra. And number 30 and number 15 is exactly half. Now, number 30 here, I am presence. That card is directly connected to the angels and the divine wisdom. Positive energy, constant positive energy, allowing yourself to have access to that. If you accept your gifts and you're willing to also dive deeper into wisdom, your wisdom, the wisdom within you, your internal wisdom. Learning to listen to that, to follow that, to integrate that and allow it to get you in the flow of harmonious energies. And you know, as a Scorpion, that's part of one of your abilities is really connecting. This allows you to connect deeper to your abilities on a whole new level because you're connecting to your crown as a constant positive flow. And it allows you to master yourself here. And this is all about expanding your soul. And this would fit perfectly into this. It's all about expansion of your soul. Your chakras in flow, mastery of yourself. And it has to do with your abundance. That's what it's connected to. And this is the Two of Crystals is connected to the High Priestess. And this will allow you to manifest your abundance. I really feel like there's one more card here for you, though I don't know how to even explain it. All right, there. There it is. The Tower. Now, the Tower is all about enlightenment. It's about knocking out what is lower vibrational so we can have and expand in our awareness, our consciousness. And that's what's happening here. This is part of your transformation. I want to thank you for joining me here. I'll see you again soon. Take care.